I just listed this beautiful property behind me at 12 Redding in Chico, California. And guys, there is 5 things I love about this property that you have to check out. First one is it has RV parking. You can drive in the back of the yard and you can put a boat or RV. It's also at the end of a cul-de-sac, nice and quiet with extra parking on the side. And if you listen really carefully, you can hear a water feature. And then also the open split floor plan. Not only is it open, but then you also have the master suite on one side and the other bedrooms on the other side. And the last thing is you have to check out the huge master suite. Those are the 5 things that I love about this new listing. We're gonna be having an open house on Saturday. Come check it out.